Happy Thanksgiving, YouTube people. The weather for today is 42.
And for you.
Get one, Cece.
And for you.
Yeah, and now we're going to the chickens. Hey, wait for me! Yeah, right here. Red. We are going to move the chickens right now. And one of the chickens escaped.
Tell me when to stop.
Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Oh, yep. TJ, why not I push the pedal, you steer? Okay. Yeah. Now just get it right in there. So we're gonna check on the cows. We're gonna make sure that the fence is still up because some deer can sometimes go in it and knock it down. And now we're gonna let the cows out. Just like and subscribe, and you can watch as many videos as you want. Another. Can I come in? Can I come in? And Pop, if you're watching this video, you better do a part. What's her name? Okay, so the black cow is Scotty, and the real cow is Rita. Ida. And if you ever visit our farm and go in here, pretty stinky. Might not want to be in here. Is it for real? Is it for real? Cow can't walk out the field. She did it! 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 They're ramming into each other. That's a rare thing for a bull. Very rare. And we're about to get some milk. And we want to visit our farm. We have an ice cream machine. So you better like this video very, very much. Cause Pop, I know you watch it a lot of times.
Watch where you're going. Maybe you guys can quickly tell the YouTube people that we are shortly taking these guys into the butcher. So we're getting them used to the trailer so they'll load easy.
In a couple of days, we are going to butcher these pigs. But if you want to see them one more time, better come out to our farm. But if you're too late, you won't get to see them. But we will still have more pigs because we are getting them used to going inside the trailer to get butchered, and like by feeding them in the trailer. Yeah, and then when those pigs when they have babies, and the babies are like grown up, like this guy, they'll come on here. Now, here's Millie. He's going to park the Kubota. So, we're just going to watch Millie. And look at this big place. You would have a dream. Live in the city with nasty, boring, no space. Come on here. We have lots of space to share. Millie is a little bumpy driver. I'm not really that bumpy. Say hi, Millie.
What do you got going on in here?
Packaging up your bologna.
Bye, YouTube people. I hope you like our video. Happy Thanksgiving!